Hello, my name is Jason, a security analyst from Orange Cyber Defense, and I'll be teaching Sensepost's hands-on hacking fundamentals course at Hack in the Box Singapore conference with my close personal friend and colleague Marianka. In our hands-on hacking fundamentals course, we teach the concept of hacking with a lab-driven course. We teach the course in a modularized format with the core concept of achieving a compromise through the formula of a target plus a vulnerability plus an exploit equals a compromise. Here is a sample of how we do that. In this example, you can see that we are scanning the target to see if it is vulnerable to the Heartbleed vulnerability. Next, we need to use an exploit in order to exploit this vulnerability. We will use the Metasploit framework for this. We'll need to set our options in order to tell Metasploit what to attack and with which module. And because our aim is to retrieve the SSL private keys, we'll need to set the action to keys. Once we've extracted the SSL key, we can save this to a file and try and use that key and the fact that we are person in the middling traffic between the host and the server itself to decrypt the traffic and reveal clear text credentials. If you found that exciting and would like some more awesome examples of hackery, please come join us at the virtual Singapore Hack in the Box conference. Scan our QR code to register and we'll see you there.